All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yep, we're going to go to their website, check out their Twitter, see what's going on with it. Right now, this could be a good discount. Ding, ding, ding. Good discount buy right now. So Dogelon Mars, let's check everything out with that. And then also this week, NFTs are at a record sale. They hit $335 million in the last week, and we're going to go over the top 5 NFTs that are selling right now. Number 5, number 4, 3, 2, and 1. So pretty good episode. Dogelon Mars, Elon, and NFTs top 5 for the week. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand about cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So, all right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, Dogelon Mars, just like everything else that is red, is 24% down in the last 7 days. Ding, 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 ding. If you like this project, this is the time to reposition. This is the time to maybe get in. Take a look below here. Moonbeam is down 54%. Holy. Let's go ahead and click it. All right, over here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 75.54. Down about 4% last 24 hours. Coming over here, looking in the last 24 hours, it's down. But in the last 7 days, this is where it's down 24, 25%. So discount buy maybe, buying the dip possibly. Checking out the holders. I think we just hit a record or something here. Let's see this. Check this out. 90 days ago, 116,000 people holding the Dogelon. Today, 130,000. Yep, 130, 116, 14,000. Almost 10% increase in holders in Dogelon Mars. Over here at the Twitter account, here's some big news that's really good. It says, I was terrified of the dark as a pup. I was afraid of what I couldn't see because I was assumed the worst of the horrors lurked in the shadows. After enough nights of waiting for the sun to rise, I learned to guide myself with sunlight. And that's what Dogelon Mars is saying. Don't forget, you can buy Dogelon Mars on Gemini right here, so you can get it on Gemini. It talks about there's a new dog in town. Right there's the Dogelon, the Dogecoin, and the Shiba. This one's pretty big. Dogelon is now live on Fuse Network. Voltage pools are engaged. Beefy Vault online. With the help of Fuse, you can soon expand to all corners of the galaxy. This is pretty good. You can actually earn passive income. Passive income with the Fuse. So right here, again, as I'm saying, the yield farming program on Elon and Fuse pool on Voltage Finance and the LP token Boost also represents an attractive, get ready, additional passive income stream for Dogelon community. So if you're looking for passive income, you can actually find it right here with Dogelon is now on Fuse. Freaking fantastic, everybody. Going over to this article, this talks about how Dogelon on the weekend, it gets beat up on the weekends, and on Mondays it bounces back. You may want to pay attention to that pattern. Here's Dogelon Mars on Mondays. So Dogelon is subject to itself a 16% change throughout the weekend. On Saturday, the token was trading at a lower rate. On the other hand, the lowest range when Elon was traded was on Sunday. And in effect, the weekend registers was higher than 10% on the trend. Here's the key thing. Dogelon Mars on Monday. It remains wobbly on Monday. Dogelon community was the 7th haven when it fetched almost 9% return in 24 hours. So it loves to bounce back on Monday. Dogelon gets beat up on the weekend for some reason, but on Mondays it comes bouncing back hard. And it talks about its competitors right here. They did better than Shiba that actually went up 7% on Monday. And Dogecoin went up 2% on Monday. But the Dogelon Mars, 9% increase. Here's the other thing we just seen. During the Monday hours, the token set another record concerning the number of holders. Dogelon surpassed the 130 mark on the front. So there we just looked at that 130,000 people holding the Dogelon Mars. This is big too. Also on the top of the Ethereum whales continue to possess this token at the time. Guess what? New record on Elon, and also the top 1,000 whales are holding Dogelon. So that's from the whale source. So yep, whales are still loving the Dogelon. So remember that going into the weekend here, that some reason Mars gets beat up on the weekend, but it bounces back heavily on Monday and stuff. All right. Dogelon Mars, ding, ding, ding. Is this the time you've been looking for? 24% down. Well, if the weekend it goes down a little bit more, basically it's only a few days to the weekend. I don't know. Put it on your radar. Check it out. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right. So now what about these NFTs? NFTs, record week, top 5 NFTs being sold. Here we go. NFT sales hit 335 million over the past week. There were the 5 best-selling digital collections. Here we go. NFTs had a breakthrough year in 2021. And over the past 12 months, the volume has hit 22 billion. The NFT market is dominating by handfuls and standing out leaders due to the popularity and rarity. We're going to go over they had a super awesome week, 335 million, and we're going to go over the top 5 selling collections. In fact, the total sales was 22 billion over the year. NFT stands for non-fungible token. They're unique, irreplaceable, mostly digital items, and the user buys and sells them online. The NFTs use blockchain technology to keep the digital records of ownership, similar to cryptocurrency. They were first launched on the Ethereum and then the same blockchain that supports the cryptocurrency Ether or Ethereum, and most NFTs can be only purchased using Ethereum. All right, here's the top 5. The number 5 cryptocurrency NFT is Cool Cats. Cool Cats right here, 7-day volume, 4.5 million. Number of sales, about 148 of them. And the highest one sold was for 50,000. The name of this collection is Cool Cats. Number 4 is Doodles. Number 4 is Doodles. And over here, Doodles, they sold 5.4 million in the last 7 days. Their highest one sold for 137. Here's your Doodles NFTs. All right. Number 3, the Sandbox. They sold 7.8 million. They sold 606 actual sales. Their highest one individual was sold for 54,000. And there's your Sandbox. All right, we're down to the last 2. Number 2, the Bored Ape Yacht Club. 7-day sales, 36 million. 484 of them were sold, and the highest one was sold for 431,000. There's your Bored Ape Yacht Club. And number 1, CryptoPunks, $37 million sold last week. 57 of them sold. The highest one was sold for 354,000. There's your CryptoPunks. So right there, everybody, NFT sales hit 335 million over the past week. And there's your top 5 NFTs that are selling by collection. All right, so have you got into the NFT game yet? Do you like it? Are you thinking about it? Are you thinking? I did an YouTube about a month ago, 3 weeks ago. The lady's actually making $300,000 a year. Well, actually, that was in 10 months making NFTs and selling them herself. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Hit NFTs. You like them? Don't like them? They're here to stay. I mean, there's a lot of volume being moved in the NFT market in digital currency. It's also it's on a blockchain just like cryptocurrency. All right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars, do a little price prediction, and check out that website. All right, Dogelon Mars' new website. Here's the places you can get Dogelon. We got 6 of them. Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. They got their Telegram group you can join. They got their Twitter account you can check out. They got their Comic Saga Begins, kind of like their roadmap of what's going on. Tells you right here, Dogelon's ranked at 128. 417.48 million in market cap. They got a little quick guide if you never set up your MetaMask account, how to get started. And over here on our price prediction. So coins down 24%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. I think it could actually basically bounce back to the 24%. All our information is for educational purposes only. We do know it comes back on Monday and Tuesday pretty hard. We're going into today being Thursday and Friday. So again, take a look at it. Put Dogelon on your radar. A lot of good things going on with the Elon coin, Dogelon Mars. Right here again, 128, 24% down. This is not a Dogelon Mars. Take a look at all the red, red, red. In fact, let's go up and see where can we find the green. Oh, I wanted to do that. Crypto bubbles over here. Take a look at the top 100. Everything's red except for ANC over here. Anchor Protocol is up 31% this week. This is why I wanted to show you the crypto bubbles. Take a look at this. If I wanted to go to my favorites, none of my favorites are green this week. Everything is down. Okay, so this was pretty interesting. If you go to top 1,000, Oh, look at this. You can see 20% up. You see a couple of them pop up. You can actually find coins that are up by doing this. Top 900. Okay, nothing in the 900s. Watch this. Top 800s. Oh, Chip, CHP up 67%. Maybe you never heard of them. You click it. Take a look. It's up 770% for the year, 76% for the month, and 64% for the week. How did I even find this? Because I'm on Crypto Bubbles. Look at the top 700. On there's one right here, 22% up, 17% up. Top 600. This is the one. Look at SFT, 485%. Safex token, it's up 28% for the year, but it's up 485% for the week. So I just wanted to show you on the Crypto Bubbles a nice little feature how you can do that. All right, everybody. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. We enjoy doing this, learning together. We were talking about nodes the other day. Love to talk about the Drip Network at 1% back every single day. We're going to link a video at the end that you can check it out. Thanks for tuning in. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to see the Drip Network about getting 365% back on your initial investment. 1% back every single day. My buddy link is at the bottom if you need a buddy. Thanks for tuning in. And Dogelon Mars, what's going on, Dogelon? Ding, ding, ding. Is it that time of the year for Dogelon? And don't forget about those NFTs being sold. Top 5 projects.